What's up, y'all? Don't mind me. I was just having a little bit of fun before I started my video. I was having a good day. But I decided to make a hair video because I have so many people who ask me questions about my hair. What do I do? What do I put on it? Blah, blah, blah. So I figured I might as well make a video, finally. So here you're going to see some of the products that I use. There's a spray bottle. There are rubber bands, ponytail holders. I use the olive oil moisturizer as well as some EcoStyler gel. And inside of my water, I actually put some of the olive oil moisturizer inside of that. So that's all it is. And then some combs. And then I just kind of get started. I do section my hair off. Like the longer that it gets, the more that I have to do that. There was a point in time, just probably like a couple weeks ago, I really didn't have to put it into ponytail holders. But now, just to kind of stay sane and keep everything out of the way, I use the ponytail holders. And my hair is actually flourishing. I'm kind of excited about it. It's been a while. I've been short for like since 2016 is when I cut my hair off again, and then I've just been wearing it short ever since. Just been really consistent with getting haircuts. So I finally decided to not get a haircut again, probably like in February, just because I wanted to just let it grow out and let it do whatever it wants to do at this point. I've been natural since 2013, so I've let my hair grow out before, and I liked it. It was just a lot of work. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just sectioning off my hair. I put a little bit of olive oil on it, or the moisturizer, some water, and yeah. And with the gel, I really don't have like, I just put it on there until it feels like I don't need any more. I go through a lot of gel, so I probably can go through a tub of gel within like a month. So, I mean, they're pretty small, but I mean, a month, I feel like it's not that bad. But I just take the gel and smooth it through my hair. Really, my ends are obviously the deadest part of my hair, and because they are blonde, they definitely feel a lot drier. So I'm sure that if I cut the ends of my hair, doing this process would be a lot faster. But I actually like the color at the ends. I dyed my hair back in October. I mean, I've been blonde for a while too, but the last time I actually dyed my hair was in October, and I've just been letting that part grow out. I haven't dyed it again. And like I said, I haven't actually gotten a haircut since February, and that's when I cut it into this mohawk style. And now it's just growing out. I usually keep my sides short. Like even if I'm letting my top part grow out, I'll always just kind of keep my sides short. But I'm just letting them grow for now, and we'll see how I feel a little bit later. I might end up cutting them off again or whatever. I don't know. But for now, it's okay. They don't bother me as much as they used to. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going through each section, smoothing the gel through. I'll comb my hair just to kind of get it, a little bit more smooth and detangled. And then I just do whatever you're seeing. I literally don't do anything special or spectacular. As you can see, I'm speeding up the video because I'm like, yeah, it's getting pretty long. So I take about, on a good day, I can take about 45 minutes to do my hair. Today I probably took a little bit longer because I was playing around and dancing and all kinds of things. So yeah, and as you can see, I just kind of fast forward to the front part of my hair. Like, ooh, y'all are getting like VIP treatment for real. But I literally don't do anything special. I don't even put oil in my hair, which is probably bad Like, well, let me take that back. Like, I put oil on my hair when I feel like it. So a lot of the times I'll use the, I think it's called like Wild Grow or something like that. I'll use that on my hair, and I'll just use that maybe like once or twice a month. And I'll let that sit. So I'll do like a hot oil treatment or something. And that's really about it when it comes to the oil. As you can see, my curls are looking nice and bouncy, just the way that I like them. Literally, it's not, I don't do anything spectacular. Sometimes I'll finger coil my hair if I need to. I shake it out. I feel like when I shake it out, it makes the curls look 10 times better. They just pop. And then the last part here is I used a lot of body foaming wrap, so I'll put that on my hair, and I really feel like that just helps with like the frizziness sometimes, and just kind of making everything look nice and crisp and smooth, because obviously I take a long time to do my hair. Like, y'all got 7 minutes and 30 seconds of this. Like, I wish it took me 7 minutes to do my hair. But yeah, the foaming wrap just kind of lets gets the flyaway hairs and just makes everything look a little bit more crisp. And as you can see, my hair is super, super like bouncy. Just the way I like it. And that's really about it, guys. Like, I don't really do anything else. So I decided to just make this a get ready with me video since I already had the camera going. So here you're going to see me washing my face. I used a foaming face scrub, and it's also like a body scrub that I made. So if you want to know more about how I made that, just leave some comments down below and I can make a video about that. But I just make sure I get my face really good, get my neck really good, because you don't want dry neck and whatnot. And I go through that and I'll rinse that all the way off. I like to use paper towels when I'm like getting everything off of my face instead of using like rags and things. And then this next product is it's like a cooling gel. It's still a face scrub actually. I think it's from like John Pierre or something like that. I'll leave the description down below. But it's a cactus and aloe vera gel type of face scrub. I really like it. It makes my face feel nice and juicy, and I love that. And it has like a nice little cooling effect or whatever, which is good from, especially after you do like a really deep cleaning. Um, that aloe vera gel definitely helps with kind of soothing the face and moisturizing the face. And again, with this, all I do is rinse it off, and I'll use paper towels to dry my face. I also use the paper towel. I'll wet the paper towel and just to make sure that everything is off my face before I start putting on lotion and whatnot. And really, I don't put on like too much lotion, or I don't really like to put too much on my face because my face is very, very sensitive and it'll break out, and I'm already oily. So I use Gold Bond. It just works for me. So I just use a little bit of that on my face and keep it pushing. So now I'm just kind of doing my eyebrows. I don't really wear too much makeup, so the most you see me doing is like my eyebrows. I do mascara, a little bit of eyeliner, and then lipstick. And that's really about it. Like, I've had my face done once, and that was for my graduation pictures for grad school. So yeah. That was like the only time that I actually like had on foundation and I think like eyeshadow and whatnot. So I'm actually kind of interested in letting somebody do my face, maybe for a really special occasion. But for the most part, I like to stay as natural as possible. I mean, I don't know. I know that there's always a debate on, what is considered natural. For me, this is natural enough. Like I said, I'm just filling in my eyebrows and just kind of enhancing what's already there. I don't really like all that other stuff on my face because, like I said, I'm already super, super oily, and I just don't need to look like an oil bucket walking outside because I do that already. So I don't really need makeup to um, enhance that or whatever. And I really just don't like stuff on my face. Like, I like for it to just be nice and clean, and I want to be able to touch my face and scratch my face. I want to be able to hug people without worrying about it getting on, someone else's clothes and things like that. So, yeah, I will just kind of stick to what I like to do. And obviously, I'm having a lot of fun right now. Go DJ came on, and that's like one of my all-time favorite Lil Wayne songs. So anytime it comes on, I know all of the freaking words pretty much. So I had to sing along. And so yeah, as you can see, I'm just doing my eyeliner. I'm gonna do my mascara. And usually with my mascara, I use like two different kinds. My eyelashes are already like pretty long or whatever. But I will use like two different types of mascaras. I don't think I actually showed it in this video though. I just showed me putting on the one mascara, and I usually do like maybe 2 or 3 coats or something like that. I don't even know. It just helps the eyes just pop a little bit. That's really about it. I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks, and here is the finished product. So like I said, I was going to an all-white party, so I got on this all-white jumpsuit, and I had on some purple heels, and yeah, I just kind of accessorized, put some lipstick on. Really, all of my like lipstick and anything that I get makeup wise, it really just comes from the beauty supply store. Like, I do not spend a whole lot of money on none of that because I really don't use it like that. So, you know, I feel like the beauty supply stuff, it works just fine. I am loving this look, obviously. So I was really, really happy with how everything turned out. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will put a picture in here for y'all. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, whatever, leave them down below. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and if you feel like it, share this video. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace.